Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute chick or treat tumbler. This is so easy and so fun with the steps that I'm going to show you. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you check the description below for all the links to the products that I use. We're going to start off by cutting our template on a double-sided sticky sheet, and I'm just going to take a razor blade and lay it right in the crease where my silhouette cut it, and continue to cut off the excess around the template. I'm going to cut this exact same template on our pattern vinyl. Now you'll see I started off with a different pattern vinyl that I ended up with. That's because when I recorded this video, I forgot to record this part and I didn't want to make two of the exact same tumbler. So we're going to start off with this really cute Shih Tzu vinyl, and we're going to remove the middle section of our template and the middle section of the Shih Tzu vinyl. Grab a piece of parchment paper, and we're going to lay that Shih Tzu vinyl on top of the parchment paper, and then we are going to line it up with our template. Once you have it all lined up, we're going to fold back a corner, tack it down, and apply the rest with a vinyl squeegee. Now I'm going to apply this template to my tumbler. So I'm just going to take about 1/2 inch and fold it back. Wrap this around my tumbler, holding it taut, making sure that the lines of the template match up to each other. When it does match up, you're just going to fold back that section that we folded back previously and tack it down, and then apply the rest of the template. We are using the icing template. I will link it down below in the description. And we are going to remove that top and bottom section of the wavy line on this template. We're then going to take the glitter wilted and sprinkle that on. Now we're going to remove the bottom section of this template, and we're going to take some blackout glitter and we're going to just dump it down on our sheet and pick it up with our fingers, pinching just a little bit, and we're going to sprinkle it on. This will give us a little bit of a sporadic black dot effect. Taking the glitter Gold Star, we are going to apply it really heavily around that bottom rim, and then we are going to lightly ombre it up towards the chicken vinyl. Now, this is the vinyl I said that I started with and forgot to record, so if you want this vinyl, this is called Chick or Treat White. Take the glitter color Aphrodite and apply that right below that wavy line, and then ombre that into that Gold Star glitter. We're going to remove the top section and do the exact same thing we did on the bottom section, except that Gold Star glitter is now going to start at the top rim, ombreing down towards the pattern vinyl. For the bottom of my tumbler, I am just going to take some orange paint and paint around the rim and the bottom. Then I'm going to take some glitter glue and apply the glitter color Wilted. I will spray seal this tumbler really well and then apply a layer or two of epoxy until my tumbler is smooth enough to add some vinyl striping. Today I'm just using really thin black nail striping tape I got on Amazon, and I'm gonna just follow each of those curves in between each glitter color to give that a clean, crisp look. Now I'm going to apply my decal. My decal says chick or treat. I just thought that was so punny and cute. And then we are going to add our final layers of epoxy. And your cute chick tumbler is all complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to look in the description for a free Diamonds and Dust Facebook group where I have more tips and tricks available for you.